That looks absolutely amazing. That is our baked cream cheese chicken taquitos made. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're doing a really nice steady one. We've got some tortillas. And we've got some cooked chicken which I've shredded up. So it's a quick one. It's easy. We're going to do baked cream cheese chicken taquitos. Okay, this is cream cheese and it's softening quite nicely, but it's not softened properly yet. But we're not going to be worried about that. Let's get on. Come on. So these are ordinary store-bought tortillas. A little bit of water. A little sprinkling of water in there. And we are just going to loosely wrap these and we're going to stick them in the oven for about 5 minutes or so to freshen up. There you go. Our mix then, we need to make a mix up to go in there. Now this is not quite softened yet, but it's getting there, look. Just grab one of those on there, stop it making a noise. So we got this lovely cream cheese going on in here. Now it's a ridiculously steady one, this. A little bit of pepper. Want some flavour in there, don't we? Want a little bit of salt. And we're going in there with some cumin. Garlic powder. Onion powder. Now just give that a mix in first. And then we're going to chuck some cheddar in here. What is it? What is it? Huh? Are you talking? What are you talking about, lad? Hey? Okay, in there with our chicken. Give it all a good mix in. It's a bit sticky, this one. Lovely. So you got this smashing cream cheesy, spicy, but not obviously not heat spicy, but you can if you want. And let's go in there with our cheese, our cheddar. Come on, let's get it all mixed in. Oh, fabulous. Okay, our jalapeno sauce that we made the other day, there's a link in the description. We're going in there with a little bit. We got to put something through here. Come on, get that mixed in. We might be going a bit more yet. Come on, a little bit more. That's better. We've got a nice loose mix now. Oh, that is perfect. That's what we want. Now don't forget, all of this is cooked. So if you want to do the taste test, bingo. That is delicious. One helper not. Unbelievable. Okay, you got it. It's not hard. We're just going in there with a bit of that filling. And we're wrapping. Bring that up. Fold that in. Come on. We've done it 100 times. Fold over. Job done. Seam side down. Next one. Over the top. Sides in. fold over, seam side down. Sorry, I've got the chef's bonus. I've been stuffing my face. Right, let's get on with this. Okay, what we want to do is put a little bit of olive oil in a bowl. So we're just going to put a little bit of olive oil on here where we're going to sit those rolls. That saves us worrying about the bottom. Seam side down on where you've olive oiled. Come on. Common sense. Fabulous. A little bit of olive oil over the top of each one. Come on. In the oven. Come on. So it's not a very quick bake. We're baking for about 15 minutes. Hopefully that's going to blister up on top and separate a little bit. Nice, crispy, crunchy. Wow, the smell is incredible in here. Look at those things. Come on. Oh, that's crispy enough. They'll do. Let's get them out. The smell in here is off the charts. Oh, we got a bus one there. Not to worry. Super. Let them cool a little minute. They're going to go crispy. We're going to pile them up. We're going to cut one up and we're going to get stuck in. On. Whoa, they're lovely under there, look. Ho, ho, ho. Fabulous. Come on, we're on. In there, some of our zesty jalapeno sauce. That looks absolutely sensational. Come on. Oh, listen to the crunch. Oh, we're in there. Wow, they're warm. That looks absolutely amazing. That is our baked cream cheese chicken taquitos made. Come on. Come on. In there, our fantastic baked chicken taquitos. A little bit of that jalapeno zesty sauce on there. Come on. Mouth watering. Mind blowing. That is sensational. Oh, come on. That is sensational. Note to self, don't be so greedy. Wait for them to cool down. They are absolutely boiling. Jalapeno, zesty jalapeno sauce. Fantastic with these. Fantastic. Not overly spicy either. Delicious. That is incredible. That is a perfect spice balance inside there. The cream cheese and the cheddar together with the spices and the chicken, it's off the charts. You know, this is one of my quick go-tos, if you like. You know, I have a lot of go-tos actually with wraps. You know, and just to show you, I'm not just talking. We don't just talk the talk on this channel. I've packets of the stuff. Loads of it in there. It's a go-to, you know. I eat wraps pretty much all the time. It doesn't matter what goes in it, you know. You can put curry and rice in there if you want, wrap it up. Delicious, it doesn't matter. It's a quick on the go, off you go, you know, when you're busy. Easy. It's just like eating a sandwich. But cooked like this, you're not deep frying. You're cooking in olive oil, so it's all absorbed and cooked off. It's not greasy, it's dry. Absolutely sensational. Fantastic dish. Anything baked like this in wraps, fantastic. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with your friends. Tell them how easy it is to make this baked cream cheese and chicken taquitos. So simple. And obviously we've got our zesty lime jalapeno sauce, link in the description. So I'm going to sit here and have a couple more. If you like what we're doing, it's a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video.